Today we're going to be doing our blooming flower experiment. For this experiment, you'll need a water tray as well as our paper flower cutouts. Now with these cutouts, you can ask students to go ahead and decorate them like you see here, and then fold each petal individually. Once we're ready to start our experiment, you can have each student one by one place their flower into the tray. During our experiment, we can see that the petals of the flower begin to open up. This is because of capillary action. The water is moving up the fibers of the paper, and the weight of that water moving up the paper is causing the petals to bloom and open.
Capillary action.
Oh, what is capillary action?
Mean go up.
What is going to go up?
Water.
So what do you think is going to happen if we put the paper flower into the water? Where is the water going to go? It's going to get wet. What do you think will happen to the water?
Up.
You think it's going to go up? Then what is our flower going to stay the same?
No.
What is it going to do?
Bloom.
Oh, very nice. Then let's try. Everybody pick one and let's put it in.
And
Pick one. Are you ready? Put it in. And let's see what happens. No pushing, just put it in. Let's go. Wait, it's working. Look, what is the flower doing?
opening.
It's opening. How do you say the flower is opening? It's
Blooming.
blooming. Very nice. So, what is the water doing?
Blooming.
The water is making the flower bloom because of capillary
Action.
Very nice.
It's open one.
Your flower's opening. Let's do another one. Let's see. Let's put the flower in. This flower opens so fast. Here.
This is house. This is house. This is house. This is like crown.
Oh, it looks like a crown.
This
You're
is
right.
house one. What is going